Hi, we made ParsePD, which is a visualization of police funding across the United States. It was inspired by the Defund the Police slogan that became really popular during the Black Lives Matter movement. We made it because most people don't really know much about police funding. So we wanted to show the overall growth of police funding over the last 20 years in every state.
Cool. And I'm just going to go over a little bit of data collection process that we did. Because just like every large set of data, government data is extremely disorganized and everything doesn't look very standardized. And so when we pull the data off, this is like one of the nicest data that we have from the Urban Brookings Institute. And apparently these data are stored in an Excel file, and we have to manually export them all into CSV files and parse them. So we wrote a little script to parse like a CSV file of 1,000 lines into very nice and hierarchized JavaScript, which you can see here. We also combined a few data sets together from different sources, like first of all, the Urban Brookings Center, and we also combined data from the Lincoln Center for Land Policy to generate this huge set of data that's usable by our website, so we can directly graph them. So looking back at our website, this is what our website looks like, and on the homepage there are basically there's a graph of every state's police funding, because the gray line in the back is the average funding of all the funding is per capita funding. So let's for example, let's take Maryland for instance. You can see how Maryland's police funding is way above the average U.S. police expenditure, and also you can see because the color is blue, Maryland is a Democratic state in the 2016 election. We also collected that information just to show some of the trends from the 2016 general election. Yeah, and also from this page, you can also contact your representatives.
Yep. So if you just put in your address, like let's say 725 Fifth Avenue, Casey Beckman.
Yep.
And you just press look up, and then it shows you tips for reaching out to your representatives, as well as a lot of representatives that will represent you, right? And then you can see their contact information, such as their phone, their address, and some have their email. And then when you go, you can just contact the website, and then that will take you to their website, and then you can contact them from there if you want to. So yeah, that is our website.
Yeah, and looking at our code, basically the website is written in very simple Node.js and handlebars. It's rendered directly from there, and the graph component is written from the chart.js, and all of that is directly generated instead of like hard coded. We use the Google Civics dataset, the Google Civics API, just to pull the representatives information. You can see the pictures are all from Google Civics and addresses as well. And some people might have missing information, but that's because Google didn't collect them, or there are some local offices who didn't submit the information to Google. Yeah, so that's that. Thanks for checking us out. Bye bye.
Bye bye.